Good morning, children. Today we will start with our new grammar topic, that is Chapter 20, Simple Past Tense. Children, we use simple past tense to express actions that took place in the past. Okay? So, the simple past tense talks about actions which took place some time ago. Alright, children? We use the simple past tense to talk about things that have already happened. Alright? Now look at these sentences. The teacher asked me a difficult question. I gave the correct answer. The teacher felt happy. Now children, the words asked, gave and felt are what? They all are verbs. Okay? And these verbs asked, gave and felt, they are in the simple past tense. And we use simple past tense to express actions that took place in the past. Okay, children? So like I told you that we use simple past tense to talk about things that have already happened. Children, in the simple past tense, we use the past tense of the verb. Okay? Now, how to form the past tense? Let's learn. So children, in some cases, the past tense is formed by adding ed to the root form. Okay. So, in some cases, we add ed to the root form in order to form the past tense. For example, enjoy. Now, enjoy is the root form, right? Now, to form the past tense, we will add ed to the word enjoy. So, it will become enjoyed. Okay, similarly, visit, visited. We will add ed to it. Wish, wished. Okay, so in some cases, the past tense is formed by adding ed to the root form. Okay. In other cases, the past tense is formed by irregular methods. Okay, and you have to learn them. All right. For example, give. Now the past tense form of the verb give is gave. Feel, felt. The past tense form of feel is felt. Come, came. Eat, ate. Okay. So, in some cases, the past tense is formed by adding ed to the root form, and in other cases, the past tense is formed by irregular methods, and we have to learn them. Okay, children? And remember that we use the simple past tense to express actions that took place in the past. So children, we use a verb in simple past tense to show an action in an earlier time which happened in the past. Now we will look at some book exercises. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Add ed to the root form to form the simple past tense. Okay. First, we dash the picnic very much. And the verb given to us is enjoy. So we will add ed to the word enjoy and it will become enjoyed. We enjoyed the picnic very much. So children, we have added ed to the root form to form the simple past tense. Next, mother dashed the flask with fresh drinking water. And the verb given to us is fill. So let's add ed to the word fill and it will become filled. Mother filled the flask with fresh drinking water. Next, the children dashed the zoo last week. Visit. Now we'll again add what? Ed, right? So it will become visited. The children visited the zoo last week. Next, the teacher dashed the children to stand in a queue. Order. Right? The verb given to us is order. So what will we do now? We'll again add ed to the verb order. Right? To form the simple past tense. Next, I dash with my grandparents for 2 days. And the verb given to us is stay. Right? So it will become stayed. I stayed with my grandparents for 2 days. Okay? Next, we dash for you for 15 minutes. We waited. Right? Next, the dog dashed loudly at the stranger, and the verb given to us is bark. So children, we'll again add ed to the verb bark. Right? So it will become barked. Okay, so write barked here. Now similarly, do the rest on your own. Okay? Alright children, so I'm leaving these for you. Do them on your own in the book only. Okay, now let's move on to exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Clues are given below. Now here also you have to fill in the blanks with what? With the simple past tense form of the verbs given in the brackets. Now here the past tense will be formed by irregular methods. Okay, so that is why they have given clues in the box below, like ate, made, gave, fell, wrote, hid, told, kept, knew and taught. Okay, so see the verb given in the bracket and then find out its past tense form from these verbs which are given here. First, I dashed the answers in my notebook. Right, now the past tense form of write is wrote. Okay, so we will write wrote here. I wrote the answers in my notebook. Next, my parents dash me a beautiful watch on my birthday. Give. Now the past tense form of give is gave. So let's write gave here. My parents gave me a beautiful watch on my birthday. Next, he dashed a New Year card for his friend. Make. Now the past tense form of make is made. He made a New Year card for his friend. Next, she dashed up the whole cake in 5 minutes. And the verb given to us is eat. Now, the past tense form of eat is ate. So, we'll write ate here. She ate up the whole cake in 5 minutes. Next, Harshit dashed off his bicycle last evening. And the verb given to us is fall. Now the past tense form of fall is fell. So Harshit fell off his bicycle last evening. So children, I have done 5 for you. The rest 4 you will do on your own. Okay? So 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th here and 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th of exercise C. Okay, you will do this on your own in your book only. Alright children, so that's all for today. Thank you.